Hi friends, this video shows how to format SanDisk SSD storage using a REDMI Android mobile phone. So this is a SanDisk SSD storage which I am using. This is 1 TB SSD storage. I am going to connect this SSD storage to this mobile phone. Okay, done. And here we can see a notification on top. Let me check. You can see SanDisk USB drive. Here we can see two options, explore and eject. Tap on explore, then you can see files and folders inside this SanDisk SSD storage. Right now it's showing empty because this is a new fresh SSD storage, so I have deleted everything, so I already formatted it, so that is why it's showing empty. Then tap on this, go back, then you can tap on this folder icon on top, then tap on storage, then go down. So here we can see SanDisk USB drive, available 1 TB, total 1 TB, unmount and format. You can use this format option to format this SanDisk SSD storage. Tap on format, then tap on format USB drive. This is a one option. So let me show you second option. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, then tap on about phone, then tap on storage, then go down, and here we can see SanDisk USB drive, available 1 TB, total 1 TB, unmount and format. Tap on format USB device. Format this USB device now. This SanDisk that USB drive needs to be formatted to store apps, files and media. Formatting will erase existing content on the USB drive. To avoid losing content, back it up to another USB drive or device. So if you have important files in your SSD storage, please take a backup before formatting it. So let me tap on format USB drive. So now it's formatting, please wait. Okay, done. So now I can tap on done. So now format has completed. Now I can, if you want to remove, you can remove this SanDisk SSD storage first, but before that, right, we have to unmount or eject. So tap on this unmount. Okay, done. So now we can safely remove it. We can remove from the phone. Okay, so this way we can format SanDisk SSD storage using REDMI Android mobile phone.